Hello YouTube, this is just a short little video to show you my innovative Marine Fusion 20 nano tank. This tank has been up and running for about 6 months. It's doing fairly well. There are a little bit some pests, Tasia. I'm just going to leave it alone until I figure out a solution. But it's a good little tank. Maintenance is not too bad. I change out about 2 gallons every week. It's a mixed reef. Blastomusa maleti, a couple of mushrooms, both of which have little buds in the back, which are kind of hard to see, but it's always nice to see mushroom grow and have little buds. Have a little cleaner shrimp. My starfish, marble starfish, he's doing well. I think I have him maybe about 3-4 months now. I think I got the shrimp in November. It is now March. The clownfish are doing pretty well. I have a couple of egg cans that I've finally glued to the rock. The green one looks great. This one started off as red, and I'm not sure why it's turning yellow, but it's been growing. It started off with as one head, and as you can see, there are about 10 little buds off to the side. A little problem with some bubble algae, but again, I haven't figured out a solution. I'll just let it be for a while, taking things slow. So I have taken that little rock out and scraped off the bubble algae before, but then it comes back after a few months. Xena, they're doing pretty well. Green star polyps in the back. Of course, those are very easy to keep. So if you take a look, it's actually the little frag plates on the left, and then I place a rock next to it so that it can grow into the rock. And I'm just going to keep that little island of green star polyps, and that's it. I don't want it to overtake the tank. And this little guy is doing pretty well. Favia, that's a little green eye. That's it in terms of the pests. There's no other real issues with the tank. It has a Tunzi pump, and right now I'm just using the innovative marine skylights. There's no adjustability, it's just basically on off. I have it on a timer. It's on for about 6 hours a day. You can't ramp it on and ramp it down, ramp it up. It's just on and off. So the timer, I have a Coral Life timer, which I also have a refugium light on a reverse timer. And right now it's not on, so it's kind of hard to see, but there are some Cheeto algae down there. My ATL, the Tunzi, a couple of Eheim heaters, and they work really well. The other thing is, so on this side I have a filter sock. And then on this side I have a media basket. I run some Chemi-Pure Blue, Sorry for the bad lighting and reflection. Basically, I change out a pack every week. I add a new pack every week, and then I just rotate them out and then take out the bottom pack and throw that away. Same with the floss. I'm going to throw out the top shortly. I did a little change today. This is more floss than I normally put in. Normally I just use one piece, but I just changed the water this morning and I didn't want to throw the old floss out right away because it probably contains some good bacteria. That's it. Thank you for watching.